So hello everyone, my name is Shubham and today I am going to share my journey with you. So actually it all started with Adult Tinkering Lab. So as I am a national player in sports, I am not able to attend the very first IRC league of our school which happened at Ludhiana. So I decided to make it next time. But unfortunately our very favorite sir left the school due to some reasons and actually it all ended up. But my curiosity never ends. I learned Python, AMS and well as Robo-G3 software of Avishkaar by references in the software. And I made many robots like multitasking mega dustbin or automatic soil moisture checking robot. As many robots, I also uploaded on the Avishkar site. One day, I came to know about the Avishkar's Facebook group from the Avishkar's YouTube channel. So I immediately joined the group and uploaded many videos. And in one of the videos, I got comment from one of the ma'am, Anvi Bandal ma'am. She told me to upload these videos on the Avishkar site as well and to participate in IoTMs. So I visited the site and explored the site. So I came to know about the different IoTMs. I participated in many of the IoTMs. I also won prizes and it raises my excitement level very much. And when I came to know about this, it was already the last month of 2022, which was very late for me to join Avishkar. So once after exploring the site and participating in many of the IoTMs, I also came to know about the IRC League is also happening every year. So I am ready to participate in the IoTM 2023, which is happening at Delhi. The two things I have to make is just a group for IRC League and to make our principal ready for this trip. So actually, our school is in Chandigarh. That's why it was all a very messy things to make our principal ready for this. So what just happened? I made a group, and fortunately, I get all those students who also attended the IRC League at Ludhiana, which was a very fortunate thing for me. So I visited the principal ma'am with the budget of this trip, and fortunately, they accepted this budget and allow us to went Delhi with our teacher. And in all these things, our ATL teacher also supported us very much. So my journey was very long and interesting, and I can't tell you all this in just a 3-minute video. So that's all. I hope you like my journey through Avishkar. Thank you.